कौन से एज में आपने हेयर लॉस एक्सपीरियंस करना स्टार्ट किया?
Probably 34 years I was when I started seeing hair loss and it was bad.
So कोई ट्रीटमेंट्स आपने पहले ट्राई किए थे?
Yeah, I was suggested some medication. It was like having 4 or 5 tablets every day and it's like keep taking it for as long as you can.
How was it psychologically for you during the hair loss phase?
It always feels bad as in nobody will ever want to wear a stained shirt. So to me it always looked like a stained head.
ट्रांसप्लांट तो करना चाहिए, कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा, येस वी नो द आउटकम ऑफ इट, बट आपने यही सोचा था इंदौर में कराएंगे, आपने सोचा था मुंबई, दिल्ली, अदर सिटीज?
I could not have gone to any other city for a hair transplant. Somehow my wife happened to see interview of Dr. Abhishek Pilani and soon after that she came across someone he was bald but now he had good hair. So again it gave us more confidence about Ashore Clinic.
So you are one of them जिन्होंने एक बार क्लियर हो गया, कॉन्फिडेंस और ट्रस्ट आया तो took a decision.
See, I was 50% sure that I'll go with the hair transplant. After a half an hour discussion with the doctors over here, I was 100% sure.
What are the compliments you got?
There were people who always told me it's not necessary for you to have hair. Being bald is also okay. Now the same people ask me, should I go and consult your doctor?
ये सुन के ही आई थिंक बहुत लोगों को मोटिवेशन अपने आप में ही मिलेगा.
See, if anybody asks me whether you should get a hair transplant or not, I would definitely say yes, just go and ask your doctor.